India dan puina putang ngin kay big nei lo le lau nei lovin du sak le what big nei lovin mi pui te tunga hidik katiang ti ka India me
Cái này đang cầm lúc này. Hay vọng rồi. Tôi sẽ hình tướng được cái này. Nung ra là khổng rồi. Bắn cho ổn chủ lại ở số chắc rồi lâu đấy lại bắn nó nghe sôi sôi complete luôn trong ECI à anh đi thua hả đi thua lên mấy đi thua 이거 어떻게 사람이 니도로
Yes. Zoram Thana hian. Mizoram State Chief
Okay.
Minister kanina ma
As we all know that Mizoram Chief Minister is swearing in right now. Mizoram National Front President Zoramthanga is going to be sworn in, and as we know that it's a sweeping victory done by Mizoram National Front after 10 years, almost after a decade, completely tarnishing the kind of popularity that Congress had for the past 10 years. Mizoram National Front, Zoramthanga, who is around 76 years of age, he is going to be sworn in right now. And it's a massive victory in the 40 seat assembly seats in Mizoram. As we all know that in these 10 years, there had been many corruption charges leveled by MNF on Congress, as well as there had been no such developmental agenda. And these are the factors why Congress lost out to MNF. And just after winning the entire Mizoram state with around 26 seats in the 40-member assembly state of Mizoram, we all know that Zoramthanga vowed to completely abolish the liquor, that was there in Mizoram, and which led to a lot of deaths that had taken place in Mizoram. So definitely there's a huge step that will be taken in the assembly as well by Zoramthanga, that he will completely abolish the liquor in the state, and that will lead to a lot of survivors rather. And of course a lot of developmental agenda has been sought out by Zoramthanga. While speaking to Republic TV on the day he won with massive victory, he said that the developmental agenda is our prime focus, whether it's road construction, whether it's providing governmental jobs to people, or whether it's other forms of job generation for the youth over there in Mizoram, so that they don't leave the state and go towards the national capital or any other metropolitan cities. So definitely these are the certain factors which the Mizoram National Front pitched on during their assembly polls, and right now Zoramthanga, the next Chief Minister of Mizoram, is being sworn in. As we all know that it has run governments during 1998 to 2008 for 2 consecutive terms, and it was a period of time where people could recall that was a time of prosperity as well. So this time around, people have given massive chance to MNF after 10 years, and Congress on the other hand, as Republic TV had spoken to Chief Minister Lal Thanwala, he has also said that we need to take considerate step as well, and we need to review that what actually went wrong, because there had been corruption charges leveled on Congress, and also the dynasty politics that had been going on in Mizoram altogether had led to such a kind of a downfall for Congress. And the Mizoram election results had also been kind of a national level of message going out to Congress that they had been completely wiped away from Northeast altogether. So definitely, as we know, out of the 8 states, Congress doesn't have even a single state. So definitely, Swesha, as we all know, that Zoramthanga is sworn in right now, and with massive victory, he has won the Mizoram state altogether, and right now he is the Chief Minister of Mizoram.
Absolutely, Shanta Shri, the new CM of Mizoram, has now taken charge. He was just sworn in, and yes, we will be tracking how the state moves under his leadership, and of course, huge expectations from the new CM. For the moment, thank you for joining us.